So Bailey, how do hedge fund strategies work? You talk about this extensively in your book, and it's very informative.
Yeah, so there's really handful of major strategies that most of those hedge funds that you come by are going to be involved in. And they work a variety of different ways depending on what kind of exposure you want. The ones that most commonly come up are like equity long short, because they trade the public equities markets usually, slightly similar to what your average mutual fund will do, but with the ability to place bets that sort of pay you in the downturn. So that's the core differentiator, like a very oversimplified version of what differentiates equity long short from mutual funds is basically that they can place bets that certain stocks will go up and that certain stocks will go down. And so in particular market conditions, that can be beneficial because then no matter what happens, you sort of flatten out the performance. You don't really have as bad of a loss. Whereas if you were in a sort of classical mutual fund, you're only placing bets that the stocks will continue to go up. So when they correct, your options are to hold on and hope it rebounds or sell it. So it's a little bit more of a dynamic viewpoint. And there are other strategies, credit, which looks at different parts of the debt market. There's managed futures, which often looks at commodities, currencies, options, and puts them together in different programs. Again, in like an oversimplified explanation would be to just follow trends. So I think it kind of, depends on how you approach hedge funds. You always, I would say, want to approach them with some kind of outcome in mind. Investors who, before the crisis, for example, just sort of blindly allocated to hedge funds as an asset class, tended not to fare as well as those who came in with some clear ideas about what they want. I mean, hedge funds are expensive. It behooves you to come in with an idea of what you want instead of just going, okay, give me the top 5 hedge funds or something like that. A lot of them, the top 5 are kind of the same. So you're not really going to, that's not always going to be the best benefit to you if they're all going down at the same time.